I discovered the love of three people, of three sparrows. These three sparrows live on an electric pole. I also don't know if they live together. Or there is a bird of these three birds, who want to get the bird's house of the other two birds. I discovered two birds fighting, and fell again. They even dragged each other into the bird's house, and could not film. The house of the three birds is quite a lot of wires. Having a child or standing on the white rope. The birds are like circus actors. You will notice that there is a fat bird and two sick birds. And I think this is the female. I will show you the male bird in the next episode. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell to see the next electric pole.